In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an artifact in Claude AI. Think of an artifact as a dedicated, interactive output that lives beside your conversation, perfect for things like templates, documents, or small projects you want to refine without losing track in the chat. We'll start by making sure the feature is turned on, then I'll show you the easiest way to generate your first one. First, check that artifacts are enabled. In Claude's web or desktop app, click your profile icon or initials in the corner to open the menu. Head into Settings. If you see a section called Feature Preview, open that instead. Look for the toggle labeled Artifacts and switch it on. If it's already on, you're good to go. If you don't see the option, make sure you're using the latest version of the app or refresh your browser, then return to Settings and try again. Once the toggle is enabled, artifacts will be available in your interface. Next, consider opening the Artifacts space, which is optional but helpful. In the sidebar, find Artifacts and click it. This space acts like a gallery and workspace where you can browse anything you've already created and quickly start something new. It's a great way to keep your projects organized and revisit them later. You can always return here if you want to manage or reference your artifacts without digging through chat history. Now tell Claude exactly what you want to create. You can generate an artifact directly from any chat by describing the project and the format you need. For example, you might say, "Create an artifact, a reusable markdown template for my meeting agendas with sections for goals, notes, and action items." Clear requests like this help Claude produce the artifact in the right structure and style. Include details such as the file type, sections you want, and any formatting preferences. If you already have context in the conversation, Claude will use that to make the artifact more accurate. Once Claude has enough context, watch the artifact appear. You'll see it open in a dedicated pane, usually to the right of the chat. This makes it easy to review the artifact while keeping your conversation in view. Give it a moment to render, and if it doesn't show up, confirm the artifact's toggle is still on and try your request again with a bit more specificity. That's it. Enable the feature, optionally open the artifact's space, describe what you need, and let Claude generate the artifact for you.